Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Cooking Horizon by Tess. Today I'll show you how to make America's favorite honey barbecue chicken wings. Once you try this method, you'll absolutely fall in love with it. But before we get to the recipe, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification icon for instant notifications every time I upload a video, like, comment and share my videos. Thank you. First of all, I have 10 whole chicken wings weighing about 3.5 pounds. We're going to cut them into 20 serving pieces. Flip your wing to this side and try to touch and feel the bone joint right over here. Press and hold and use a sharp knife to cut in the middle. The tip is still attached, so we're going to cut the tip off. Feel the bone joint again and make the cut. Instead of discarding the tips, you could save and use them for making chicken stock. Now continue the same process for the rest of the wings. So here we have our 20 serving pieces of wings. Now pat dry each one using paper towels. Once all of them have been pat dried, add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. About half a teaspoon of fresh ground black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. Now give it all a very good mix, making sure all the wings are seasoned. Next, rub some olive oil over the rack where we are going to place our chicken wings and put them in the oven for baking. In a small bowl, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Add 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Mix everything well. Now toss and coat each piece of chicken wing with the flour mix. Then place the wings with a little distance apart on the wire rack lined baking sheet. If you do not have a wire rack, use parchment paper instead. Now in a preheated oven of 400 degrees Fahrenheit, we're going to bake them for about 40 minutes or until done, about 20 minutes each side. After the first 20 minutes, which is about halfway through, take them out of the oven and flip the wings. Once the flipping is done, put them back in the oven for the rest of the 20 minutes or until done. About 10 minutes prior to taking the wings out of the oven, prepare the sauce. Heat a medium saucepan on medium heat and add 1 tablespoon of butter. Stir and let the butter melt. Add 1.5 cups of your choice of barbecue sauce. I'm using Sweet Baby Ray's hickory and brown sugar barbecue sauce. I really recommend this. Stir and mix the sauce with the butter so the butter doesn't burn. Now add 2 teaspoons of tomato ketchup. I'm using Heinz. 2 teaspoons of sriracha. 1/4 cup of honey. I'm using organic honey. Stir until the sauce is smooth and the mix is even. Bring to a simmer and let it simmer for about 2 minutes. Stir occasionally as needed. After 2 minutes, turn the stove off and set the sauce aside. Once the wings are out of the oven, toss the wings to coat all of them with the sauce and place and arrange them back on the wire rack like before. It's important to note that the baking time might slightly vary oven to oven and also depending on the size of the wings. So keep a keen eye and bake accordingly. The reason I'm putting them back on the wire rack is because I'm going to broil them for a little bit. Once the sauce coating is done, we are going to broil them at 500 degrees Fahrenheit for about 4 to 6 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes each side. Please keep a very keen eye to avoid burning. Our honey barbecue chicken wings are out of the oven and ready to be served. Thank you very much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell notification icon for instant notifications every time I upload a video. Like, comment, and share my videos. Take care.